obviously seen at least one piece of content made by the Tate brothers, but have you ever wondered what they have to say about dropshipping? If you didn't already know, the Tate brothers made their fortune from a live streaming website, but I've always been curious what they have to say about dropshipping. Apparently they teach the skill in their real world course, or Hustlers University, whatever it's called nowadays. But in this video, I'm going to be reacting to a couple of clips from Andrew and seeing exactly what he has to say about dropshipping. Before we get started, I want to thank all of you guys for the recent support. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, let's get right into it. Hopping into my computer here, the first video we have is a video of Cobra Tate and his opinion on dropshipping.
Shipping is not profitable. The odds of making money with dropshipping are so low. Most of the time you make nothing. And then you have to pay for adverts and lose a bunch of money to try and find a product that's going to work. We talk about dropshipping inside of the war room. It's extremely difficult to make work. There are much better ways to make money online.
That's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Anyway, I've got a much better video here where he actually says something good about dropshipping, so let's get right into it.
I had a guy come to me, and he was a guy, and he started dating some semi-famous girl with a big Instagram account. And she was really pretty. She was out of Serbia. And he comes to me and says, bro, she's big in Serbia. I want to launch a makeup brand. I said, okay, fair enough. He goes, yeah, I want to launch a makeup brand, but I need money. I was like, how much do you need? He goes, I need $250,000. And I said, listen, here's what we're going to do. What's your plan? You get $250,000 and do what? He goes, well, I'm going to build the website. How much is that going to cost? He goes, I can probably get that done cheap in Serbia, like $2,000. I said, okay, that's a good start. He goes, then I'm going to buy all the stock. I was like, okay. And I'm going to base it in Serbia in a warehouse so I can sell it out fast, same day delivery. I was like, okay, fine. Let's do something else instead. Instead of wasting all my money, how about this? Here's my advice to you, because otherwise I'm going to want a big percentage of the business. That's the first thing. Second thing, there's a big chance my money gets wasted. So here's what we do. I'll give you $2,000, make the website, take the pictures, get the product designs, put it online, launch it, put it all over her Instagram, launch it, start selling. After a few days, send everybody an automated email saying, sorry, we have a delay in shipping because it's a new brand and it's been so fantastic. We're going to give you a free lip gloss. Delay everybody and keep them happy. Take in all the money, buy the stock with the money that comes in, with the new money. So you're never in debt to anybody. You're not in debt to me either. Buy the stock, fulfill. The margin on makeup is 80, 90, 100, 203% anyway. Give them a free gift so they shut up, or offer them a discount code for their next order. They'll be happy and buy more.
Yeah.
Start your company from nothing.
Right.
And be rich.
See, that's the opposite of what university teaches.
Complete opposite.
Complete opposite.
What's funny is, he goes, okay, I'm going to try that. He tried it, and he launched, and nobody bought. And I said, aren't you glad? Well, I'm glad. Thank God I'm glad, but imagine it was your own money. Aren't you glad you didn't waste $250,000? Right. Your dumbass nearly lost $250,000.
Yeah.
Now you realize that all her followers are fake. So, eureka. At least you found out cheap.
See, that's exactly what dropshipping is. He just shit on dropshipping and then said that it's a good business. When you start dropshipping, you shouldn't order your product in bulk immediately, of course. All you need to do is find a supplier who's able to fulfill the product. You don't need to order anything in advance. All you need to do is set up a website, which apparently costs $2,000 in Serbia. You can literally set up a Shopify store for $1 per month if you use the link below. Why would it cost you $2,000 to build a website? Even if you have long shipping times, it doesn't matter, because if you make your customers happy by giving them a discount on their next order, they're going to be satisfied and they're actually going to be more likely to order again in the future. This is actually a really good strategy that anyone can implement if you have long shipping times. Say, for example, you're using CJ Dropshipping as a supplier, use a private supplier instead. I've got plenty of videos about private suppliers on my channel. But in the case that you're using a slow supplier that takes 2 weeks, you might have a bunch of customer emails, and so you're gonna have to reply to them, and giving them a small discount, maybe 20 to 25% off their next order, is a great way to regain some of their trust. So there you guys have it, Andrew Tate's advice on dropshipping. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.